1968.
Elephant engine, HEMI.
That's
HEMI.
yeah, it's a HEMI. Yeah, right.
$800 extra back then.
Yeah, this is the first year for the GTX in a convertible. This car has got to be extremely rare. I was just telling the guy that owns this car. I said I collect all the old road tests. I was just reading about a HEMI convertible. This is Car Life, February '68. I'm telling you, they compared that to GTX 440. I said, yeah, it's in the old publication, Car Life, February '68. Yeah.
You don't see convertibles. I had a convertible on the test.
I had a convertible '69 Roadrunner, and I owned it for about 7, 8 years.
That's rare. That's rare.
Yeah, it was rare back then. It was getting so rare, I didn't want to drive it anymore. But they only made 3,000 of them. And then in like 70, only made like 1,000 something. In 60,
they just had a muscle show.
With GTXs, these were really rare convertibles, especially 68.
Yeah, he said to me, "You sure it's a 68 GTX convertible?"
So yeah, it is.
Ford Flight.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is like probably like only 500 of them made. I don't know. I don't think it was that many at all.
Everybody get up on that dance floor.
So it's a HEMI with a 727. Actually, they have a Torque Flight 727A, then they got a B version, then they have a Torque Flight, that's talking about the automatic, and then they have a HEMI version. So this has got like a Torque Flight transmission that's unique to this engine. This top looks like the top that was on my Roadrunner convertible. The glass window. It's kind of like a leatherette, you know. And you look at pattern, the one was black. You look up here, see? No liner. So I used to go up in there and like punch the roof, get the ice off, man. Yeah, this is 68 because of the markers too. You got the round ones, they had square ones at 69, like a rectangular. I mean, I don't know that much. I mean, I know some things here and there. I remember fixing mine. I had to fix the rust back there, put new metal in it, and there's a little rust on the top of the fenders. Put new metal in there. There was actually even rust up here by the mirror, something like, or up in here someplace. I don't know how the hell it got there. Yeah. Really 500 plus horse. That's what the heck that is. They're rated 425, but they're like 500. The 440 Magnums, they're rated 375, but they're like good 410. The 6-pack was good 420, you know. They're rated like 390. They're like 425 horse or something like it with the 6-pack. The ratings were kept lower. The HEMI was the HEMI was like heavy motor too, man. Very heavy motor. Damn. This is an extremely rare car. I didn't quite know. I mean, I saw the convertible part, GTX. I said that's really rare. I did not did not expect to see a HEMI in there. I was thinking it was going to be a 440 with Magnum. This has got to be with a HEMI. I mean, just even with a convertible GTX, I don't even think there was 1,000 of these made in '68. I don't know how many were made, but I'm a little bit familiar because I had the '69 Roadrunner. I think there was 3,300 made in '69 that were convertibles, any convertible. But then if you had the console, bucket seats, the shifter on the floor, cruise control, some of the options they had in there, factory cruise control, it gets like a lot more rare. But this thing, GTXs were very rarely convertibles. I know Roadrunners are rarely convertibles. GTX are even more rare. As far as a HEMI GTX convertible in '68, I don't even know if there's a dozen of them made. And that's what I'm thinking. This thing looks pretty damn original. Oh, look at that. No powered brakes. You got a HEMI with no powered brakes, man. Ooh, baby. Manual brakes. Drum brakes, too. So if it gets wet out, you got no, you go through a deep puddle, You got the 500. Actually, you know, it says 425 horse. You got 525 horse or some crap on the end. I'm familiar with this under the hood with this. You know, with the wiper, the ballast resistor. By the way, don't ever pressure wash that damn thing. There's some goop they put in there to keep the wires from shorting out. Some jerk pressure washing it, and I had to change that out. The harness. The only thing that's aftermarket is that orange thing over there. Yeah, I think it is aftermarket. Maybe not. Maybe that's for the HEMI. I don't know. He's got the heater disconnect right there too. And that's been changed out too. He's got different pulleys on there. You notice? That's smart. Instead of those V-belts, it's got like, oh, he's got a billet power steering pump too. And he's got them numbered 18436-572. Yeah. 18436. Yeah. So that'd be 436572, and then one would be over there. Man, there's usually a lot of room under this hood, but with that HEMI, it really goes firewall to firewall. That's a freaking hell of a motor, man. Damn. So, get a lesser video on this puppy. Stock radiator too, man. God. It's got a, I don't know if that's it's probably an aftermarket fan. It's got a lot of blades on there. Man, kicks ass.